This video covers tools for submitting jobs to a queue. Doppio can run jobs on the local machine, but can also be used to submit to an HPC cluster. Cluster submission is accomplished using a template-based system. When running a job, turn on the queue submission option and add the path to a submission template file. The submission system is designed to be flexible enough to accommodate a variety of queuing systems. When the job is run, queue submission in Doppio first uses the template to generate a submission script for the job. It then uses the qsub command that was entered to run this script. Here is an example template for submission using Slurm. Substitution variables are bracketed in XXX. These are replaced with parameters in the final script that is run. A full list of substitution variables are available in the Doppio documentation. Here are some of the most common. Queue, the name of the queue. MPI nodes, the number of MPI nodes being used for the job. Out file, a file where the job's standard out will be written. Error file, the file where the job's standard error will be written. And command, which is a list of the commands that will be run. For users familiar with Relion, the submission template system is similar with one important difference. In Doppio, the MPI run command and number of nodes is already included in the XXX command substitution variable. It does not need to be included in the submission script. If Doppio detects a Relion-style submission script, it will raise a warning. Doppio also allows for the addition of custom submission variables to submission script templates. The qsub parameters can be customized by editing the pipeliner settings file found in Library Application Support on Mac or .config in Linux. Defaults for the MPI run command, queue name, qsub command, and the location of the template file can be set by adding the above lines to the file. Additionally, any number of extra variables can be added by updating the qsub extra count line. For each extra variable, add qsub extra with the number of that variable for its name, qsub extra help containing the help text for that variable in the GUI, and qsub extra default for the default value. The added variables will appear in the queue submission options section of the GUI and can be used in submission script templates with XXX extra 1, XXX extra 2, and so on.